Hello and welcome to the Web Manager. In this tutorial we're going to show you how to make a container fixed to the bottom of the page, like this black bar here. It sticks to the bottom of the page. Right, so I'm going to delete this and show you how I created it in the first place. Delete. Okay, making sure nothing is selected. If we select the this container here and it sits outside of the main site contents, which is what we want, and before we do anything with it, we're just going to click Properties, and we're going to play around with its positioning through the Properties menu. So if I click Position, and first of all we need to make it fixed. Then we need to make it 0 pixels from the bottom, so we need to take out the value from the top. Otherwise it will just try and stick to the top. And then we make it 0 pixels from the bottom, and then we click Apply. So now you can see it's jumped to the bottom of the page. The next job is to adjust its height. It's a bit tall for my liking, so let's make its height, let's make it 100 pixels. Okay, so now it's only 100 pixels high, and the next thing I want to do, I want it to stretch the full width of the screen no matter how wide the screen is. So I need to set its width to 100%. So while it's still highlighted, click Properties again, click Position, and in its width value here I'm going to change it from 200 pixels to 100%. Then we click Apply. Okay, I'm going to give it a colour now so we can see what we're playing with. So whilst it's still highlighted, I select this button and I'll choose a background colour. I'm just going to make it black. Okay, so that's my bar. It's stuck to the bottom of the page. As I move to the bottom of the page, it follows, and it's also 100% in terms of width. So as I narrow my page, it follows too. The only thing is, it's still behind this site contents container here. So I want to bring it in front. It's only come in front now because I've clicked on it, but once I click on something else, it'll go behind again. So I need to change its Z index to something high, so it always stands in front. So whilst it's selected, I'm going to give it a Z value of 100. Now it'll always stay in front of anything on the page which has a Z value of less than 100, which is what we want. Okay, so that's how you fasten a bar to the bottom of the page. I'm just going to save this. And I'm going to open a page that I created earlier based on this template, which was this one here. Okay, and now I'm going to view it live on the web, so they can see what it looks, the live version looks like through a browser, to make sure it fits our expectations, and I do believe it does. So now that black bar is following the bottom of the page all the way up, and it always remains 100% of the width.